morning students, this is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform from St. Michael Higher Secondary, Bethian. Students, in previous video yesterday we started a new chapter, new unit, how to write article or article writing. Article writing is a part of very long composition task, and in that video we came to know about important points and other things about article writing. The students, I have decided you just to make aware of format of an article. What is the format that you have to follow while you are writing an article? The first point is that you have to give suitable title or heading. That should be eye-catchy, and that is generally written in capital letter. It should also be brief, relevant and eye-catching. It should be written at the top in the middle of the line. Maximum 4 to 6 words are allotted for it. So your title shows your imaginative capacity and the way of putting your facts inside the main body of article writing. The second point is that the way you start your article writing is introduction. Introduce the topic clearly in a relevant perspective. The moment you start article writing, you should keep in mind that your introduction should be clear and it should be simple in tone and style. It must be relevant in perspective and draw the reader's attention by a rhetoric question or surprising fact or figure. You should start it with just surprising fact or the question mood or figure, so that the reader's attention must be drawn immediately and you must be in position to draw the reader's attention without any delay and without any confusion. The next point is that exposition. Present the topic from different angles, merits and demerits, causes and effects. All these things, merit and demerits, means you have to write about both the sides, whether the points related to merits or the points which are coming under the heading demerits. You should write about causes and effects. What are the causes of writing the article and what must be the effects of that one. If anything else comes to your mind is needed by you, you can also do and write in that exposition also. Next point is that you have to sum up. While you are summing up the points, there should be personal comments made. You can make your personal comments while you are just summing up your article. And the last point is that conclusion. Give a concluding remark with a hope or an appeal, etc. The moment you have to conclude your article, you should not forget that you have to conclude your remark, you have to conclude your article with a hope or an appeal, or if any such thing is there in your mind that you have to write. So keep all these points of format in your mind. Students, now I am going to give you useful tips, which is the last related point of article writing. It will help you a lot. First useful tips is that show your original thinking. The moment you have started writing your article, you should be original in thinking. Your thinking should be original. It should not be artificial. It should not be taken from anywhere else. It should look that it's your original thinking, it's your personal thinking, and that is real. So make it original by thinking in original tone or mode. The second point is that don't use informal language or artificial style. Informal language should not be used. Then what should you do? You have to use formal language, and artificial style is also not allowed. I have stated earlier that thinking must be original, so there is no place, there is no room for artificial style of writing. The third one is that use a variety of sentences. You are allowed, you have capacity, you have power, you have been authorized for using variety of sentences. It means different kinds of sentences starting from simple to exclamatory. You are at liberty to use. So don't be just a student who is not going to use variety of sentences. Your varieties are always welcome. The last point of this phase is that don't exceed the limit of 150 to 200 words. The word limit, that is very much important. That helps you in framing the article in your mind. It should be in between 150 to 200 words. Students, now I am going to give you a sample question of article that will help you in framing the article, which you will need in doing the homework that I shall assign you at the last of the video. The question is that excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides is literally killing people and is the cause of all of the farming community. Lately, there is a growing trend towards organic and natural farming and its advantages. Write an article on natural farming for your school magazine. You are Bharat or Manvi of class 11C. Your name is mentioned here, so you have to write that name. If you are in the category of male, you have to write Bharat. If you are in the category of female, you have to write Manvi. So the first thing that has been done is a title or heading is given, natural farming. I told you earlier that it has to be written in capital letter and exactly in the middle of the first line. That is known as headlines, title or headings. Thereafter, you have to write your name. Your name, that is known as byline, it should be written in extreme right side. It is generally started in the middle of the title and it goes a little bit ahead of your title writing. Then you have to give introduction. As I have stated that introduction is very much important. People have become aware of the hazards of chemical based farming. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides not only adds to input cost, but it is also responsible for disease like cancer. So there is a happy trend towards natural farming among well-awakened farmers. This is general introduction of the title of the heading that has been given, and now you have to write about the supportive details that I am going to read out. In natural farming, fertilizers, urea, pesticides and weedicides are not used. Instead, a natural concoction is used. It comprises co-urine, cow dung, gur, besan and a handful of loose earth and 200 liters of water. After mixing it well, it is left in a drum for a week. It then turns into a potential fertilizers. It has been found to be very effective in the growth of wheat and vegetables. So this paragraph is supportive paragraph because it gives supportive details. The natural growth of the produce is advantageous in many ways. The selling price goes up in the market, benefiting the farmers. The taste of organically produced vegetable is better than that of chemically produced ones. The government must encourage. This is your appeal that I stated earlier, that you have to conclude your article by giving appeal also. The government must encourage organic farming. Subsidies in the initial stage will give it much needed impetus. So students, this is complete a sample article that you have to understand the ways how to write. You have to just make it clear, and suppose if you have any doubt, any query, any problem, then you may ask me anytime. I am always ready to cooperate you. The students, I hope you have understood all what I have taught. Now it is time for giving you homework. So this is the first question that you have to write. This question is very much clear and the word limit has been given here, 150 to 200 words. write an article on Thrash called Entertainment in about 150 to 200 words. Some valuable points are also given. You should keep them in your mind while you are writing or framing an article. Now here is question second. You have to write this also in your homework copy. Students, this particular article has to be written on delights and usefulness of walking. Valuable points are also given here. One thing I am reminding you again and again, that you have to do your homework only in school copy. Your homework will be assessed or checked when the school reopens. It will be avoided nicely. So if you have not bought the copies from the school, go to academy and buy the copies from there and do only in school copy. If you do it in any other copy, that will not be checked. Thank you.